Okay, I almost left without taking a final photo of the empty space. Leave it up to my mind to do that because we are so conditioned to be regretful, remorseful, or saddened by empty space or loss. And it doesn't have to be that way, which is my lesson of this whole video series. And believe me, I have been confronting a lot of those conflicted emotions just in the process of getting rid of these last few items. And I notice again that default theoretical usefulness comes into my mind, because most of the things that I'm getting rid of from here are not used or worn to the point of being destroyed or unusable. They are simply no longer useful for me, representative of me, or able to be carried by the capacity of my life right now. And it's so interesting because I did not really anticipate filling up my home with things from my office. But last night I had 2 carloads of stuff that went to my home. So I have another job to deal with in my home, sorting through making room for that stuff or deciding again what to do with it. So it's really, really interesting. So today I was a little bit more brutal. Anything I couldn't donate, I just put in the dumpster. And if I couldn't find a person to give it to, I just put it in the garbage. And rather than holding it in my car, home, etc. for months until I find that person and spend energy thinking about it, that's what I did. And what came to me is the title of a book that needs to be written. 2 book titles have come to me in the last 2 days while doing this, very interestingly. But this one's called How to Lose, and written by Lisa Chu. And it could be, and the subtitle could be, and other lessons, a Harvard medical school background didn't teach me, because it was all about winning, and I was, very well trained in that and got out of practice in truly losing as part of life, as part of the equation, not as something that's, put in footnotes or in parentheses or relegated to the shame files. But how to lose. I mean, this was such an exercise for me in how to just let things out of your life, because I'm already suffocated by the things that I took out of here, which was a fraction of what I had brought in. But part of why I moved into this space was to find extra space to do the work that I was doing at the time, which was great. And then it became no longer the work that I needed to be doing, or the way I needed to be doing the work. So it really, I feel that it's a start of something else for me, because it's such a revelation into my relationship with things, my relationship with the past, my relationship to what everything means as I touch these things and look at them. So I gave myself a gift. Here's the space. It's a little bit dark, so let me... Left the quotes on the wall. See if they'll inspire somebody else. But this is pretty much how I greeted it in whatever the year was, 2008. And it's how I'm leaving it. That door. All these blank walls. Seemingly nothing to say, yet with so many stories. So much goodness happened here. So, that's it. Appreciate the space. Love it for everything that it was and is. And then move on joyfully.